What do you do on a rainy day when you're a golfer? You go to the bunker at Clifton Park.
We're out here at the bunker at Clifton Park. Best bar in town, best wings in town. You heard it here first.
Their state-of-the-art TrackMan simulators are perfect condition, beautifully laid out, and accurate to an inch.
Mike, we're here at the bunker, playing on the TrackMan. You got a 7-iron in your hand. Call your shot. How far are you hitting this one?
176. Go.
It's a big shot.
You better get back up there.
197 7-iron. All right.
In addition to the simulators, they have a state-of-the-art private dart lounge.
I got a 9, a 1, and a 3.
And if you're lucky enough, the house band Joe's Boys might be there playing their outstanding version of pop, rock, and funk. So the next time your tee time gets rained out, go to Clifton Park, go to the bunker, grab some wings and a beer, use the simulator, and have a hell of an afternoon.